Hello, my abundant healers. First of all, I want to give a warm welcome and shout out to our new group members. I am so happy to have you here. Over the next couple of weeks, you're going to start seeing me show up a lot more in our live streams because we are going to be vamping up for our next launch cycle, for the next 90-day cycle in our program. Right now, a lot of the people in the cycle are starting to test the waters with Facebook ads, and they're starting to see some pretty immediate results with people coming into their groups. And there's a lot of excitement around building this kind of online community, which ultimately creates a pool of clients from which you start to find your soul clients, right? So if you haven't yet, I would invite you to check out the 3 mistakes download. I'm going to put a link to it in the caption of this video. This is kind of an overview of how I have approached building online group coaching programs as well as passive income funnels in my business, in my practice. And if you're new and you're just joining us here, I am an author, educator, Reiki practitioner, and a creative arts therapist with 13 years in the field. And so my practice really took off when I started transitioning my marketing strategies and my focus into developing an online platform and presence. So now one of the things that I'm really excited to start thinking about is our next launch cycle. So the next cycle opens the first week of August, and then we go for about a month. Open enrollment goes for about a month. You have a month to sign up. We have early bird prices that first week in August. So if it's something that you are interested in, I encourage you to stay tuned into the feed for the rest of July and August, because we're going to be sort of vamping up for that. Now, one of the things that I'm going to be talking about a lot more next month are the questions that have been answered for individuals that have been coming into the group. So I'm going to start going through the ones that I felt were the most comprehensive and sort of answering to that through the frame of what I refer to as spiritual wealth, but in particular through the law of attraction. I'm kind of a law of attraction person when it comes to money, right? Not just money, but everything, you know, and really understanding that everything exists in the same bucket. So in our program, 90 Days to Scale Your Practice Online, The Abundant Healer, a lot of what we do in the first module is clean house. As is within, so is without. And so there's a lot of looking at our energy blocks and our mindset blocks and taking a look at what may actually be preventing you from receiving. Because oftentimes, like, even if you work hard enough and you're able to affect something in the concrete physical world, if you've got mindset stuff, if your energy's caught up in what doesn't serve, then no matter how much money you make, you're always going to generate some kind of expense for it, right? Suddenly, like, expenses pop up out of nowhere, right? More money, more problems. So we explore a lot of that in the program, and over the next couple months we're going to be talking more about mindset and getting yourself in the right mindset, particularly if this is something you're interested in learning more about. Now, this is the real nitty-gritty reason why I'm on this live stream right now, is I would like to develop a 5-day challenge for our early bird enrollment period. So what I really want to know is where you are at, the group members here, where you are at. Do you feel like we want to dig into the mindset stuff? No matter what you say, we're going to do a mindset. We're going to be doing mindset stuff over the course of our launch cycle. However, do you want to hone in on that first, or would you be interested in developing a brand? Okay, so that's something I've been seeing coming up a lot. Questions about, I don't know how to put myself out there online. I don't have a strategy around it. I wish I knew how to utilize those marketing tools better. And so to my mind, that really starts with building your brand, understanding, you know, how to put yourself out there visually, also in terms of the voice that you use, and certainly how to write your copy so that it actually speaks to what I call your soul clients. Right? And for those of you that don't know, soul clients to my mind are clients that are meant to find you, that you're here to work with, that resonate with your soul on some level. I really truly believe that if you are in helping and healing professions like therapists, coaches, and healers, then we are here to explore these things through that interaction with our clients, right? That interaction is actually facilitating a level of spiritual ascension, not just for them, but also for you. And so clients tend to be some kind of foil, right? Some aspect of ourselves. So as we start to dig into creating an online presence and platform that speaks to those clients that you really want to work with, right? Because let's be honest, we don't necessarily want to work with everyone, and it would be a bit of hubris to think that you're the best fit for every single person on the planet, right? So you want to negate that perception right now. Oh, I'll take what I can get. No. We're going to turn that on its head right now. Okay. So what I'd like to do is we're going to do a mindset challenge. Always do a mindset challenge. Mindset challenges are great, but I want to do a second challenge, and I'm trying to decide if we want to do it on course creation or if we want to do it on branding. So if you could let me know in the comments below if you're more interested in how to develop course creation for the ultimate purpose of generating passive income online, or if you're more interested in learning more about branding. Okay? So let me know in the comments below, and the more you can tell me about what you want and what your needs are, the better we can create content around that for you. So let me know in the comments below, do you prefer to learn about branding or course creation? We're going to do a little 5-day challenge on that, free 5-day challenge on that as we start stepping into our launch cycle. And stay tuned to the feed for July, because I'm going to be showing up every day. I've set a challenge for myself on the weekdays. So every day I'm going to show up live in here, and we're going to start generating some engagement and start answering some questions in this group. So I look forward to seeing a lot more of you.